Look at this amazing beach. This is the main beach on the Gulf Shores. Endless white sand, all these volleyball courts, lots of kids out, high school kids I think out there playing. This is awesome. Gulf Shores, Alabama. This surprised me.
Sandcastle
Listening. What's a listening? Sandcastle listening, everyone. Come and get your sandcastle listening.
Stop it. Helicopter.
There we go. Awesome, good job. All right, let's get like 2 more. We overachievers. You're gonna get a little wet. Oh, awesome. 2 layers. So what was step 1?
Sand.
Well, what kind of sand?
Soft. Fun.
Yes, soft and fluffy, like a puppy. All right, fill it up to the tippy top with a fluffy. Feel free to move buckets and do whatever you guys need. Some more water and mix it up. So go ahead, guys. Pour you some water in there.
Can you hold the water for now?
Go ahead, get some mixing. You guys see how there's bubbles, right? That's not because it's boiling or anything. That's because there's air down there, which means there's dry sand. Right? Yep. If you don't have any water when you're tapping, you're breaking apart what you just built.
The big reveal of our tower. Nice job, guys.
All right, next one. Come on.
Perfect.
Great. Awesome, girl. Good job. High five. Great job. All right, let's keep going. Do them all. Down there. 1, 2, 3. Great. Oh, look at you, Miss Muscles, doing it. All right, we're just gonna stack them over here. Can you get it, girl? Let's see if your sister can help you. 1, 2. Woo! Sweet. Hands up. What is this? A brush. Very good. Easy. What is this? Yeah, it's a measuring spoon, right? Just a regular measuring spoon you find in your kitchen. This guy's a little tricky. It starts with an S and ends with spatula. Spatula. There you go. It's a spatula. And then this is just a really big spatula. Awesome. When I start sculpting on my sandcastle, I always want to start at the top, right? Sand falls down, and if I make something really pretty down here and I sculpt up here, it's going to cover it up. Okay, so you're going to start top to bottom. Making a circle, and I'm just scooping that sand down. Take it out, right? And then right next to it, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut down. Go right next to it, cut down. And then just like a piece of cake, pull it out. Is that they're old, right? So if you mess up a little bit or if it looks a little crumbly, it's okay. I'm gonna blow that stuff away. Okay?
Break away.
What you doing, darling?
Good job, Savannah.
What are we making?
Daddy, look at mine.
Good job.
Turrets.
All right, put your hand underneath. I'm pulling mine out. Put your hand under there.
Oh,
There you go.
cool. You could be head archer.
All right. There you go. That's a really good title. All right, now pull your hand out. And there we go. So with this guy, you can take your big spatula. Right?
Feels too easy.
See, you guys didn't believe me when I said we would make them connect, did you? You had no idea? It's okay. It's okay. I don't blame you. I wouldn't have believed me either.
What are you making here, darling? Trees. So, Mummy.
So I'm mixing it up. a lot of water. It's gonna take some practice though, okay?
So this is my sandcastle. So up the top
What's
here is a balcony.
Amy, keep going. Sorry.
So this will
And then some of
split in
these
between
things.
golf
And then I've got windows wrapping all around, well not all around. Then I have
And they'll
like
be used on their
bricks.
social media channel.
And I have my door.
Sometime this year, it won't be like
And then if you
posted
go
today.
around here,
Awesome. Tag us.
these here.
Yeah.
And,